Hello friends, in this video let's explore about new Microsoft Whiteboard app which is introduced in all the Office 365 tenants recently by Microsoft. This is a one kind of a whiteboard app where you can draw things like with a stylus or an Apple pencil on iPad on or your Android tablets on your phone. Okay, so I'm presently using this on the iPad, Apple iPad, and I'm using a stylus to write this. And here it is very sharp, and the rendering is very nice. To use this whiteboard app, we need Office 365 subscription. And also you can see so many brushes here like pens, red color, black, blue, and green color, and you can also see a kind of brush, different kinds of brush here, and you can see a eraser app also here. Here you can also, if you want to have more options, just pressure a little bit on the screen and you can see these different kinds of option to copy here. And if you want to insert any image, you can insert. If you want to insert any note here, you can note here. You can just like a sticky notes, you can stick something on the whiteboard, you can see here. So these kind of options they have given here, and if you want to take a photo, you can also take photo, and if you want to explore more options, you can check here. Format background, we can change the background here. You can change it to yellow, blue, so many colors. And if you want grid backgrounds, you can see here so many backgrounds for the canvas, and normally I use solid here. And coming back, if you see, you can also clear the canvas, like erasing all the things. Okay, so the other options are, you can insert list, like a to-do list. You can write something here and insert here, but you need to type with a normal keyboard in the iPad or in our mobile phone. And if you want to explore more options, just click on the right hand side hamburger icon here, and you can see the active pen, ink to shape, ink to table, and object snapping. Export, you can export whatever we have written in this whiteboard, you can export to image, PNG or SVG format. Okay, so I already told you about the format background, that's okay. And coming to the toolbar location, we can tell where this toolbar can come. Normally I have kept in the bottom, I can kept on the right side or left side. It will come like this on the left side, so you can change on your comfortability. And coming to this other things, active pen, we can keep always the pen on active. So, and also we have got an option here. If you observe on the right side, there is an option to collaborate here. You can collaborate with other people on this whiteboard. Just you need to add the other person. You can see the people icon here, you can see the other people icon here. And so this is good for all the people who wants to present themselves to the other teammates, or who are giving any SharePoint tutorials, or who are like a SharePoint course, who are doing a SharePoint course, or who are giving any presentations in seminars or conferences. We can make use of this nice app. whiteboard app. Compared to other apps, this is very smooth, very nice. And if you want to anybody share the same app and they also want to collaborate on the same file, they can use make of this uh, thing here, where we can add other people also to see. And once if you're done about this file, you can click the left hand side arrow and you can see all the other files you have created here, like this. And if it is connected to internet, it will sync and it will save in all your in your SharePoint. So here, if I'm not having internet, so it's showing error, it's showing like unsaved changes. Okay, so let's see how we can uh, demonstrate a small requirement here. So I'm selecting here format background as white, and I have a requirement, and I want to explain to all my teammates so how I can draw. So here I have a requirement of a scrum board. Okay, project scrum board. So I will take a pen here, like black one, or you can take whatever colors you can have. Just click on the black pen and you can see the colors here, so many other colors. And I want to take black one, and I am writing now project scrum board here. I want project scrum board, and I want the project scrum board in SharePoint page with 3 blocks. In the first blocks, I want to see here the tasks, um, not started tasks, not started. And the other block, I want to see in progress tasks. And the other one is completed tasks. How cool it is, like you can write like it when you are having a chat with your on-site team and explaining them requirements. It's good to use this whiteboard for mostly for the SharePoint business analysts. This is good app to use. Okay, hope you like this explanation on the whiteboard.